Now the next question is related to the calculation of interest on capital. I'm going to give you one question. You just see the question, pause the button and see the question, and thereafter see the solution, how the problem is going to solve. In this question, there are the two partners, partner A and partner B. There are the two partner A and B. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Capital of both the partners are 2 lakhs and 1 lakh respectively. 2 lakhs and 1 lakh respectively. Now the case number 1, if the partnership deed is silent as the interest on capital and the profit for the year is 50,000. So PL appropriation account credit side by net profit brought down. Net profit brought down, it is 50,000. And you know that if the deed is silent, then no interest will be allowed to partner for their capital contribution. So directly this profit will be divided between the partner in their profit sharing ratio. So this profit is called divisible profit. Divisible profit transfer to divisible profit transfer to partners capital account. If it is not mentioned capital is fixed or fluctuating, then it's a fluctuating capital. Partners capital account, partners are A and B. This 50,000 will be divided in between them in the ratio of 3:2. So 50,000 will be divided in the ratio of 3:2, means 3/5 and 2/5. So 3/5 means it's a 30,000 and 2/5 means 20,000. So in A's capital account we will transfer 30 and in B's capital account we will transfer 20. So both side is 50. In case number 1. Case number 1. So in this way we will distribute the profit between the partner. The net profit is this. The deed is silent regard to interest on capital. So no interest will be allowed in the absence of the partnership's deed. So we have not given any interest on capital to any partner. So directly this amount of the profit will be transferred to partner's capital account, because the profit is now it's a divisible profit transferred to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now case number 2. This is the case number 1. Case number 1. This is the case number 1. Now see the case number 2. Come to the case number 2. If the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum and the losses for the year is 50,000. So if there is a loss, then no interest will be given to any partner. If there is a loss, then no interest we are going to give to any partner, because interest is restricted up to the amount of profit. We know it. Interest on capital is restricted up to the amount of profit. If the profit is less, then we will pay the interest up to the amount of profit. But if there is no profit, then we will not give any interest on capital. So this will be done in the PL account, profit and loss account. Treatment will be done in the profit and loss account for the year ended. This side to net loss, PL account. This side to net loss, for the last year profit will be brought down. And this side by loss transfer to partners capital account. This is the loss for the year. So loss for the year is 50,000, and this 50,000 will be divided between the partner A and B in their profit sharing ratio. So loss will be transferred to partner's capital account in the ratio of 3:2, 30,000 and 20,000. So it's a 50,000. Third case, if the partnership deed provide for interest on capital at the rate of 8% and the profit for the year is 50,000. Third, case number 3. Come to the case number 3. In case number 3, there is a profit and interest on capital is given in the partnership deed. Then you will prepare PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account by net profit brought down, which is given 50,000. Now we'll calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital A and B. So A's capital is 2 lakh and B's capital is 1 lakh. Rate of interest on this capital is 8% per annum. 8 by 100. So it is 16,000 and it is 8,000. 16 and 8. So interest on capital is lesser than this amount. So we'll pay the interest on capital. We'll do the allocation of interest on capital. A and B, 16 to A, 8 to B. Total interest is 24. And rest amount will be called divisible profit. Divisible profit, which will be transferred to partners' capital account. A and B in their profit sharing ratio. Credit side total is 50. The difference amount is 26. So this 26 will be transferred to partners' capital account in their profit sharing ratio. So 26,000 will be divided in the ratio of 3:2, to 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So the amount is 15,600 and 10,400. So 15,600, A will get 15,006 and B will get 10,400 in case number 3. Now come to the case number 4. If partnership deed provide for interest on capital at the rate of 8% and the profit for the year is 15,000. Here the profit is less. In case number 4, the profit is less. In case number 4, profit is 15. Profit is 15. And interest on capital as per our calculation, interest on capital as per our calculation is 16,000 and 8,000 respectively. It is 24,000. And profit is less but interest is 24. So we can't give the interest more than this amount, profit amount. So interest on capital will be maximum 15. We can give the maximum 15,000 as interest on capital. So this 15,000 interest on capital will be divided between these two partners in their interest on capital ratio. This interest on capital, the 16,000 is to 8,000, so it is 2:1, 2:1, or in the capital ratio 2:1. So this 15,000 will be divided in the ratio of 2:1, means 15,000 into 2 by 3 and 15,000 into 1 by 3. So it's a 10,000 and 5,000. There will be no divisible profit left. Case number 5. Come to the case number 5. If the partnership deed provide for interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum, even if it involve the firm in loss, and the profit for the year is 15,000. So even if firm involve a loss, so it means it's a charge against profit. It means its interest on capital is not the allocation of profit, matter of allocation of profit, interest on capital now the matter of charge against profit. So this will be done not in the PL appropriation account, but this will be done in the PL account, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. So we'll prepare profit and loss account. Okay. In the profit and loss account, the profit is 15,000. Now we'll do the provide interest on capital even if firm suffer a loss. So we'll give the full interest on capital to A and B irrespective of profit amount. We know the profit is less, but it's a charge against profit to 16,000 and 8,000 total. So it is 24,000. In this case, there is a net loss. Transfer to partners capital account. A and B. So this side is 24, this side 24. So difference is 9. So this 9,000 will be divided between the partner in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So 9,000 will be divided in the ratio of 3:2, 3/5 and 2/5 respectively. $5,400 and $3,600. Net loss will be transferred to partners capital account. Even if firm suffered a loss, it means it's not a allocation matter of allocation of profit, but it's a matter of charge against profit. And when it is a charge against profit, this treatment will be done in the PL account, not profit and loss appropriation account.